Hello friends, welcome to our channel and now starts. This is green mini sport bike. This is very green and this is very mini sport bike. Velo. This is a Velo helicopter and this is a very Velo and not very. It has a two wheel. It has four. Hello friends, this is a mini helicopter and it is yellow color. It has four wheels and it fly like this. This is very attractive. Now the chance of dark yellow. This is a dark yellow car and it has one wheel and it is very attractive and it is dark yellow car. Pink, blue and pink is jeep. This is a jeep which is blue and pink and its wheel is about green. This is very nice and amazing mini jeep and its color is blue and pink bike, and this is pink and green bike. This is about two color and this bike is about green and pink color. It has three wheel. It is very attractive and amazing mini toy. Next chance is about green, and green is mini truck. It is very amazing toy and it is mini truck. It contain many things in its trolley. It has four wheel. It is amazing mini truck. And only pink is gypsy. And each gypsy is very mini amazing gypsy. It is very good and it is very nice. It is mini gypsy. This is amazing scooty and it is about red color. It has two wheels that is blue, so it is very attractive. It is a sky blue color and this is a Fortuner. This is a very nice Fortuner and mini, and this is very amazing. This toy I like very much. This is about a sky blue color.